So if we talk about crochet tension, then some crocheters use normal hook size and they do very tight stitches. What I would recommend instead is to choose or take the smallest hook size possible to crochet with and continue the way you are used to crochet, because you mustn't hurt your fingers. So let's see, I do have different sizes, and at first let's take 3.5 to achieve neat stitches. I have to crochet very tightly, so my fingers will hurt to maintain the neat results, so it won't do. So let's say I take 2.5. It is already pattern. It's easy to crochet and my stitches look neat. Let's see, do I have gaps between? So 2.5 is okay, so I could try even smaller. 2.25, let's see. Is already maybe a bit too small. Yes, because it is already hard to pick up all the stitches, so probably I will stick with 2.5. So, and this is the way you can try different sizes to have the best result, because you have to have fun as well when you do your amigurumi crochet. So you crochet in a normal way, but just use the smallest hook you can, and then you'll have a lovely result. Thank you.